Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Nasdaq. My name is Bob McCooey. I'm the Vice Chairman here at Nasdaq. It's my great pleasure to welcome our friends at ALPS Group, who are listed on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol, obviously very appropriately, ALPS. Congratulations. It's my honor to be the person that welcomes ALPS Group to the Nasdaq family. Nasdaq is honored to have partnered with you on your listing. We're excited that you could join us for the very first time right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring this afternoon's closing bell to celebrate your business combination with Global Link Investment. Congratulations. So ALPS Group is an integrated biotechnology platform integrating research and development, medical services, wellness solutions of advanced therapies under one unified ecosystem aimed at improving healthcare outcomes globally. What began as a lifelong passion in genomics and cellular research has evolved into a mission to redefine the future of healthcare. From decoding the human genome to developing next-generation mRNA and personalized vaccines together with cellular therapies, ALPS Group's mission has always been to deliver predictive, preventative, and precision medicine to patients worldwide at a cost that makes life-saving cure available to all. Today, Mr. Lim, today is a testament to all the hard work of everyone at ALPS Group. Thank you for bringing so many of your teammates here to celebrate with you this afternoon. It also goes to your passion to lead and to innovate. Nasdaq is honored to be able to share this moment with you, to share this bell with you, and this celebration. We look forward to a very, very successful partnership. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Lim to the podium for some further remarks. Please join me.
Dear shareholders, my future partners, this speech is not designed to convince. It's not convinced how great is our company. It's not a speech about why ALPS is a strong investment. We already have more than 1,000 pages of filing data, disclosures, and a speech of that. Instead, this message is about something more personal. Where we come from, where we go there, where we go here, and why we choose this path. It's a story of decisions, hard decisions, and the value behind them, where we began. About decades ago, on a hot afternoon, I was speaking with a friend about the reality of the healthcare, the inequality, the unaffordability, the silent sufferings of millions who simply could not access the advanced medical care. The question was simple, yet heavy. It's not us. Then who will build a system where science doesn't just belong to the wealthy? The conversations trigger a change of choice. My eldest brother in science, Prof. Ding Ke-siang, begins to discuss not just what was wrong, but what we could build. Where we are willing to give up everything. We all agree on the fact. But doing some things about them, there was not what was people were prepared to do. Because to do this, we had to walk away from the skill and life, leadership's role, and in global pharmaceutical companies, the comfort of high salaries, titles, prestige, and predictable future will take certainty of the mission. What did we use to balance the decisions? Not money, not guarantees, just purpose. Why we do that? Why we did that? We believe that it will, sorry, a bit nervous. We believe that if we want change, we could not wait for someone else to do it. So we make the choice that supplies even ourselves. We left everything behind to build something that did not yet exist. And we call it ALPS, a name inspired by purity, elevations, and hope. A reminder that science must serve humanity, not the other way around. The hardest sacrifice was not professionals, it was personal. Our family in those years in uncertainty, but they support us in silence, but their quiet strengths become foundations. A turning point in 2020. Why the world was shaken by the pandemics? We did not freeze. We mobilized, we gathered a team, executed a vaccine study successfully several clinical trial data and more than 3,000 patients. The period was reset. Okay, we begin a new chapter, guided by one principle: humanity, ethical, right, science. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Dr. Tham, please.